So, good afternoon, sir. I am Cadet Luis Langan and I am here to discuss the usage, the maintenance, and the testing of SART. So, SART is Self and Rescue Radar Transponder. The main means in the GMDSS for Tokyo ships in distress or their survival craft. So, SART can last to 96 hours or 4 days. And it operates in 9 gigahertz, and SART don't respond to 3 gigahertz to radar or S-band. So SART is only operated on X-band, and vessels required between 300 to 500 gross tonnage in order to